We had that balmy end to the weekend. Highs soared yesterday. It was beautiful. 77 degrees in Lexington. We missed our record high by 2 degrees. The old high was 79, but set back in 77, and of course that's going to hold. London and Jackson were awfully close, and then we had this cold front come barreling in this morning. It erupted with severe storms over Ohio and Indiana. Here's your boundary. Here are the lingering showers down south. The front's just about out of here, and we had much more of an impact as far as heavy rain and just general wind went as opposed to anything else. We had some over 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and we also had the rain coming out pretty hard and heavy, but not a single severe storm, just some stronger ones up north. Here's how it looks now. We are cooling down. 55 degrees in Lexington. It is in the mid-50s in Frankfort, 50 up north in Covington. So look at the drop or the rise, depending on which way you're looking at it. It's 50 in Covington. It's still almost 70 in Williamsburg. So this front having a big impact on temperatures. And we're going to cool down significantly and stay cool. Upper 50s to low 60s today. Our high that actually goes into the books was overnight when we were in the 60s. And here you go. We're going to stay in the 50s through the remainder of the week. So not a whole lot in the way of active weather beyond this next round coming in tonight that I'm going to talk about. But that cool air is just going to hang with us. Frankfort, it's overcast. We've had some occasional little teasing breaks in the clouds for a hint of sunshine. Then the clouds back up again. That's kind of the way the afternoon's going to go. But at least it's drying out. The max track shows the last of the showers exiting eastern Kentucky. There are the storms from overnight. Confirmed tornado in Salem, Indiana. It was an EF1 with 95-mile-per-hour winds from the surround that came through. The National Weather Service is out tracking multiple locations in southern Indiana. And look at the widespread reports. I mean, northeast Ohio got slammed, Ashtabula County, all kinds of trees down. Western Kentucky, you heard Chris talking about that. What we had were some strong storms and some wind gusts reported around 50 miles per hour. We had a 53-mile-per-hour gust at our Keeneland, weatherbug station. This is from the Kentucky Mesonet out in Marion County, a 50-mile-per-hour gust. So, rainfall also anywhere from a quarter of an inch to almost an inch in a number of spots. And there's still a marginal risk for severe storms hanging on, but look where it is. It's out into western Kentucky. Our cold front that's going through is going to stall to our south, and a wave of low pressure will spin up along it. So there may be some stronger storms in western Kentucky this evening, but as they track east, the chance for much in the way of strong to severe storms is minimal. We may have some thunder, especially back towards Bowling Green. Future track shows that next wave spreading in. That's 11 o'clock tonight, so it's already tracking our direction. We'll see it mainly overnight and into tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. So by noon, a lot of it already through here, and then we finally dry out toward the middle of the week. So that's the next wave that we'll be tracking. Temperatures about where we are in the 50s. Some folks may get lucky, get back into the 60s. Of course, some of our southern counties still there. But that cooler air, that breeze up in the north continues to set up. And tonight, showers likely. Could be a few thunderstorms, especially at the onset out west. And your 8-day forecast shows that the cool air just filters in and hangs with us. Essentially a dry cold front going into Thursday night and Friday. Could drop us down close to freezing Friday morning. Friday's highs, even with some sunshine, only around 50. We'll try to keep Veterans Day dry, but we've got more rain tracking our way late in the weekend.